Hey, good morning, everybody. So I am going to go through an easy way to, or there may be easier ways out there, but this is the best way that I know, to make a voice over PowerPoint so you can move your classes to online. The advantages that I've found with voice over PowerPoint, now other platforms may have this, is that if you change your lecture or just move one slide to another, or let's say while you're recording you have a interruption in the background, you can just stop the recording on that one slide rather than having to redo the whole thing from scratch or living with the interruption. So you're seeing my desktop right here, and I'm inside of the PowerPoint presentation. You can, of course, you can do this with the existing presentation. So from this landing page here, and I just titled this one using Voice over PowerPoint, what you can do is just go to Insert. Okay, that'll bring up the new menu, and then Audio. And then record audio. You can record a sound for this slide, and that's going to be what the students are going to hear, or whoever you're presenting this to is going to hear when you start recording it. So let's say I would hit record, and right now I'm recording on this slide. This is my introduction. Good morning, everybody. This is how to use your voice over PowerPoint for your online classes. And then I can click OK, and then that gets inserted into there. Now, you do that for your next slide as well. Go to Audio, Record Audio, and this is slide number 2. The information on here is I'm presenting to you the information I'm going to be discussing in class. And then you can do this through your entire PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Oops, I hit OK instead of stop. So record audio, record length. Okay, this is slide number 2. Slide number 2 has the information on blah, blah, blah. And we're going to go ahead and embed that sound clip. Stop. Okay, and there's the sound clip inserted. Now, the nice thing about this is then you can go to File. Okay, you can save your PowerPoint presentation, File, Save As. I'm going to save it just to my into my test 2 as presentation. For TTU. All right, save. Now what I can also do, File, Save As, instead of saving as a PowerPoint, what I'm doing here is I'm saving it as a MP4 right there. And what that's going to do, you can see down here, is it's converting it, and it's converting the entire presentation, however long it may be, into a movie file so that students could play, they could download it and play it on their vehicle while they're driving, jogging, working out, whatever. It makes it so they don't have to use PowerPoint to watch it. You can upload that as well. The only disadvantage with that is it does make the file rather large, so we might run into space problems, maybe not, it all depends. So hopefully, and see, that is done. So I'm going to shrink that down. I'm going to close this out. And I'm going to open up test 2 and go to that presentation for TTU and move this over. And hopefully that works for you. Anyway, I hope that's helpful, and that's probably the easiest way that I know. There may be easier ways out there. There's different platforms. Kaltura may have some editing software. I just haven't delved into it yet, but I like this one because, as I said, you can change one slide within your presentation, or redo that one slide or several slides and move them around without having to worry about dealing with having to redo the entire presentation. So I hope that's helpful.